Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you my setup and how I entertain myself when I am on the road. As you know, my channel is Poverty to Paradise, and I'm basically trying to find ways to live in paradise on a budget. And so this is how I keep myself entertained. Whether I'm at a hotel room or on a cruise ship and I want to watch something, then this is the setup that I use. So first, of course, I have my phone. If I have Wi-Fi, I can watch Netflix, I can YouTube, I can watch, everything is on YouTube, right? Even my church is on YouTube, so I have my phone for that. Now, if I get tired of looking down at my phone, or I have a little stand that I put it on, or I want to see it on a bigger screen, then I can, if there's a hotel that has a casting, I can just cast from my phone to the TV. This particular TV does not have casting, and most of the TVs on the cruise ship don't have casting. So these are some alternative setups that I can use instead of my phone. So the first thing is using my laptop and whatever TV I have. So let's say I want to watch Beverly Hills Cop on Netflix. I just pop it up on my laptop. Let's say I want to watch it on a bigger screen because I want to see it on a TV screen instead of on my laptop. Then I always have a HDMI cable. I just plug that into the back of my laptop. And so I have this end plugged into my laptop. I keep a 10-foot cord with me, and I plug the other end into the back of the TV. So in this case it's HDMI 1. I could also use HDMI 2. So now that I have the HDMI cord plugged into the laptop and into the TV, to change it over, I just press power on the TV. So once I have the TV set, then usually on the remote control there is a button that says source, and you just change it to the source, whatever input your cable is plugged into. This does not have the source or input on it. Sometimes the TV will have the buttons at the bottom, and you just press it until you get the right setting. On this TV, the input is on the side, so I'm gonna press this button here, the input button, and it's gonna change over from the regular TV to HDMI. And that was the power button. Wrong button. All right, and then as I press the input button, you'll see the different options come up. And there you go. What is on my laptop is being duplicated onto the TV. So now I can just set my laptop to the side. Let's say I want to just move it here. Okay, so I can set my laptop to the side, and then from the bed I can just watch what's on the TV. And then the volume, I would control it from the TV's volume. All right, so that is how I get from my laptop to the TV. Now, if I wanted to, so that's me watching something on Netflix. Now, if I wanted to watch Netflix or YouTube or whatever, of course I have to have Wi-Fi for that. So if I'm on a ship and I don't have Wi-Fi, I can download movies or shows to my tablet, and then I can watch things on my tablet. So for instance, don't judge me, I'm watching Young Sheldon, and that's one of the shows that I watch. So you can see I've already downloaded a bunch of episodes. So this movie was actually very surprising. It was it's called The Little Things. I don't know how it popped up. For those of you who saw it, you already know what it's about, but spoiler alert, Denzel Washington is in it. I did not know that when I downloaded it, and it's a really good movie. That's all I'm gonna say. But I can take that off now. But anyway, so say I'm watching one of my episodes of Young Sheldon, and then I have my tablet, so that's one option. Another option, so I have 4 different options so far, right? So I have my cell phone, I have my laptop, I have the TV. I can project from the laptop to the TV, but I can also project from my tablet to the TV in a roundabout way. I can't project from this tablet to this TV because this TV does not have casting. If the TV had casting on it, then I could definitely go directly from my phone or my tablet or my laptop to the TV. But since this TV doesn't have casting, let me show you a little trick that I do. Okay, so on my laptop, if I go to settings, if I go to my settings, and I've already downloaded it here, but if you go to PROJ projection settings, once it pops up, it's gonna if you don't already have it, it's gonna ask you to add it. If once you add it, or if you already do have it, it's gonna give you this option here. So system projecting to this PC. For me, let's see, some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC when you say it's okay. So I'm gonna choose available everywhere. Ask to project to this PC every time a connection is requested. You have different options here. First time only. Require a pin for pairing. You can require a pin if you want. This PC can be discovered for projection only when it's plugged into a power source. I might not want to plug in, so I leave that as off. And that is all you need for that. And let me back up. For those of you who are not familiar with display, if you to connect from your laptop to the TV, you would go to your settings, type in display here, so systems display, and then it's going to say, hey, there's two monitors, this one and that one. What do you want to do with these? Right now I have it on duplicate these displays, so whatever's on this PC will also be duplicated onto the TV. You can also say extend. So if I was to do that, then it's like I have two monitors, so I can do whatever I want to on this monitor, the TV on in the background, keep my show on in the background. So I can be over on the bed or over on the chair working on Excel while I have a movie going in the background. So that's what that option is, to extend the PC. Now I'm gonna go back to duplicate. So again, system, display, duplicate these settings, keep the changes. So now whatever's on my laptop is going to also be on the TV. Now for my tablet, I can go here to pull down the tablet, do it twice, and there's a button here called Smart View. If I click Smart View, it's going to say, hey, I'm looking for all your devices that I can project to, and since I've already set up projecting on my laptop, I can say, hey, Paradise, that's the name of that TV, that's the name of my laptop. Paradise, I want to project to you. So, Smart View, connecting to Paradise. It's gonna say, hey, what do you want to project to? So while I'm in projection settings, Smart View, it's already connecting. And on this, it says launch the wireless display app to project to this PC. So I'm going to do that. And you can see they're connecting to each other wirelessly. Says now it's ready. And you can see whatever's on my tablet is automatically being projected to the laptop. And whatever's on the laptop is going to the TV. So now I can move the laptop out of the way. So I can take this tablet, go sit over on the bed or on the chair or whatever, and whatever's on my tablet is going to be displayed on the screen here. So let's say I go to YouTube and I want to watch something on YouTube. It's going to be showing whatever's on my tablet that I'm over across the room watching. I can set that down in the dresser and I can just watch it here on the TV. And now, again, I've moved from my little teeny tiny phone device to the big screen TV. And as you can see, I have I have my 4 different devices. Is that showing on everything? Yeah. So I can, again, I have my phone, my tablet, my laptop, my TV, whatever TV I'm at. So it doesn't matter if I want to watch YouTube, if I want to watch Netflix, if I want to work on Excel, whatever the case may be. I can have whatever projected up to the TV. I hope that helps. As I go on my journey, I plan to share more hacks like this. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye for now. See y'all in the next video.